Hello everyone, Namaskar. In this video, I am going to discuss about the energy of electron in hydrogen atom once again, but with different formula. We know that when electron is revolving around the nucleus in हाइड्रोजन एटम के न्यूक्लियस में केवल एक प्रोटॉन होता है. न्यूक्लियस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम consist of only one proton, so charge in the nucleus is plus E and one electron is revolving in circular orbit. Suppose this electron is revolving in nth orbit. हाइड्रोजन एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन तो एक है, लेकिन ये इलेक्ट्रॉन जब ग्राउंड स्टेट में है then it is revolving in orbit number 1, n is equal to 1. But when hydrogen atom is in excited state, then electron may be in second orbit or in third orbit or in fourth orbit. So suppose electron is revolving in nth orbit and radius of circular orbit is r. So here plus E and minus E charges are at a distance r. So electrostatic potential energy is 1/4 pi epsilon naught E square upon r. Now centripetal force F is equal to mv square upon r, where m is mass of electron, v is velocity of electron and r is radius of circular orbit. And electrostatic attractive force F is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught into E square upon r square. This force provides necessary centripetal force mv square upon r. So mv square upon r is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught into E square upon r square, or mv square is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught into E square upon r, or half mv square is equal to half into 1/4 pi epsilon naught into E square upon r. But half mv square is kinetic energy, so kinetic energy is equal to 1/8 pi epsilon naught into E square upon r. So total energy of electron is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy, and sum of these energies equal to minus 1/8 pi epsilon naught into E square upon r. इसके पहले वीडियो में हम ये समझ चुके हैं कि अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन nth ऑर्बिट में रिवॉल्व कर रहा है और उसकी रेडियस rn है, then this radius rn is equal to n square h square epsilon naught upon pi m e square, where h is Planck's constant, epsilon naught is permittivity of free space, m is mass of electron and E is charge on electron. So this radius is proportional to n square, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. For n is equal to 1, radius is 0.53 angstrom. For n is equal to 2, radius will be 4 times because radius is proportional to n square. For n is equal to 3, radius will be 9 times. So in this formula, total energy minus 1/8 pi epsilon naught into E square upon r, substitute r. Rn is this. So energy of electron when it is revolving in nth orbit, En is equal to minus 1/8 pi epsilon naught into E square upon, in place of r substitute this, n square h square epsilon naught upon pi m e square. So we get En is equal to m e to the power 4 upon 8 n square h square epsilon naught square. So this is formula for energy of electron in nth orbit. Here is minus sign also. This minus sign shows that electron is mounted to nucleus. Now substitute the value of m, which is mass of electron. This is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Charge of electron is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Planck's constant h is equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. And permittivity of free space epsilon naught is equal to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Substitute these values in this formula and solve it. We get En is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 upon n square joule. Now 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. So this En in terms of electron volt is En is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into 1 upon n square electron volt. To convert joule into electron volt, we divide by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 and solve it. So En is equal to minus 13.6 upon n square electron volt. इसके पहले वीडियो में हम समझ चुके हैं कि हाइड्रोजन एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर nth ऑर्बिट में रिवॉल्व कर रहा है, सो इन दैट केस इट्स एनर्जी इज गिवन बाय माइनस RSC अपॉन n स्क्वायर, where R is Rydberg constant, H is Planck's constant and C is velocity of light. So this minus RSC upon n square is equal to minus me to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square n square h square. So comparing it, we get RSC is equal to m into e to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square h square. N square cancels. So Rydberg constant R is equal to m into e to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square h cube into C. When we substitute values, we get Rydberg constant R is equal to 1.03 into 10 power 7 per meter. हमने पढ़ रखा है कि हाइड्रोजन एटम में जब हाइड्रोजन एटम एक्साइटेड स्टेट में है तो उसका कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन किसी हायर ऑर्बिट से सेकेंड ऑर्बिट में आता है. तो जो वेवलेंथ्स हमें मिलती हैं, दैट वेवलेंथ्स आर इन बामर सीरीज एंड दिस फॉल्स इन विजिबल लाइट रीजन. मिनिमम वेवलेंथ इज 3646 एंगस्ट्रोम and maximum wavelength is 6563 angstrom. So if we know the value of lambda, from here we may calculate R. So when we calculate R, which is experimental value, this is equal to 1.097 into 10 power 7 per meter. Now this R we obtained by the formula by using Bohr's model. So this value is very nearly equal to experimentally found value. This is theoretical value and this is experimentally found value. So this shows that Bohr's atomic model is correct for hydrogen atom. Now try to understand with the help of this diagram. Suppose hydrogen atom is in excited state. So its electron is revolving in suppose n2th orbit. This is suppose n2th orbit, and when hydrogen atom is in excited state, this remains in excited state for 10 to the power minus 8 second only, and then electron jumps from higher orbit to any lower orbit. So suppose in this n1th orbit its energy is E1 and in this n2th orbit its energy is E2. So energy in this orbit is higher and energy in this orbit is lower. So difference of energy is emitted in the form of photon. So E2 is equal to minus me to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square n2 square h square, and E1 is equal to minus me to the power 4 me to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square n1 square h square. Difference of this energy is delta E. This is equal to E2 minus E1. Solve it and take me to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught h square, epsilon naught square h square term outside the bracket. Now this energy is equal to energy of photon. Suppose frequency of photon is nu, then energy of emitted photon is h nu. So h nu is equal to m into e to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square h square inside the bracket 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Now nu is equal to c upon lambda. So this is hc upon lambda is equal to this much. Bring hc in denominator and we get 1 by lambda is equal to this much, and this is nothing but Rydberg constant for hydrogen atom. So substitute this is equal to कैपिटल R. इसी फार्मूले को हमने इसके पहले वीडियो में En इज इक्वल टू माइनस RSC/n² से सॉल्व किया था। इस वीडियो में इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम हाइड्रोजन के एनर्जी लेवल्स के बारे में फार्मूला -RSC/n² की हेल्प से समझेंगे और डिफरेंट स्पेक्ट्रल सीरीज जो एमिट होती हैं हाइड्रोजन एटम में उनके बारे में समझेंगे। थैंक्स, हैव ए नाइस डे।